Hey, what's up? This is St. Joe, MachineTutorials.com. Here with a quick video on the latest pad mode update that they added in Machine. So now you can actually control or set your colors for the pads and the groups directly from the controller, as well as organize and move your groups and pads around directly from the controller. So I just want to show you how to do that really quick. So if you go into pad mode, you'll notice there is an extra page, and you can see right here at the bottom it says colors. So for the groups, you got the default, and for sound you got default. So let's say I wanted to just change the color for the pad. I can just go through the colors right here and you'll see it update. And that's the same thing for your groups. So you can see the group. Now, I kind of expected it when you updated the group to change the whole group to one color or something like that. So if that's a possibility, I'm not sure, but that's kind of what I expected. But either way, you can see how to do it. Now, you can also move things around. If you hold shift while you're in this page, you'll see move over here by the groups as well as the pads. And this will actually move the data and everything with your pad. So if I wanted this pad to move over, it just goes over there. If I want to move it back, so you can just move it wherever you want. And it just shifts everything around. Now, same thing for the groups, but you got to have more than one group for it to actually work. You'll see it'll be grayed out until you have more than one group, and then now you can actually move your groups. So pretty straightforward. It may seem like a simple update, but I think this is beneficial for those that really like to stay focused directly on the controller and being able to just go in and set up your colors, move your pads around, and do everything directly from the controller without having to go back to your computer. So hopefully this helps you out. Again, this update is in native access. I think it would be cool if we could set the color for all the pads at once, make a master group or something like that. I think that would be dope. But anyway, let me know what y'all think. I'll see y'all later. This is St. Joe, MachineTutorials.com. Peace.